Tired of high energy costs? Out. Waiting for cooling? Out. Frustrated with breakdowns? Out. Unhappy with noises? Out. Aha! LG is here to help. Introducing LG's dual inverter technology. Energy efficiency, faster cooling, durability, quiet. How is it possible? Conventional motors are limited. They are either powerful or energy efficient, not both. But LG's industry-leading dual inverter motor defies the impossible. Delivering faster comfort with less energy. LG has alleviated the need to choose between cooling performance and energy efficiency.